What are you doing?
Taking this off.
But you're not being quiet. Shh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francesca. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you are notified when I put new content out on Mondays and Thursdays every week regarding life looks and anything girly. So for today's video, this is around the time that I am going to have to spray my Vachetta bags again with Apple Guard. I will only spray my two main used ones. I don't usually spray to keep all just because I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. So we'll just leave that one alone. We'll focus on these two bags on spraying Vachetta or Vachetta. Vachetta? Whatever, however you say it. But I'll show you how I do it. I actually will condition the bags first and then spray. Just so you know, some people, aka Charlie from Carlitos and Monogram, can see one of his friends do it and know that it's okay. You can do it, Charlie. You can do it. So I will use Apple Guard for today's video. This is not sponsored or anything like that. This is just something that I've learned through collecting and with my friends. I know one of my friends prefer Colonel, even if it's with Louis Vuitton items. But I will use Colonel later on when I spray my lighter colored bag, which is my Alma in cream. So I'll show you that in a separate video. So if you guys have any questions on anything that you see today, please feel free to comment down below and I will answer them the best that I can. So let's get on with the video. So guys, this is my bags. This is the Noe. I've taken it apart so that I can condition it and spray it properly. There are some spots in the bag that is much more drier. This is a Bick 4 leather conditioner and it does not darken the Vachetta. Well, you guys know. It's really wrinkly around the corners where it hooks onto the D-ring. Miss Pochette Métis turn. And I don't use a lot, guys, just a little dot, and I make sure that it's saturated into my rag. She's so pretty. I obviously rub nicely, guys. It just looks like it's a little rough since this is on high speed. Now the Noe's turn, so obviously this one has a lot more Vachetta. So I have to take my time with this one. I do condition the other side of the side strap, but I won't show it here because you guys get the gist of it. Now time for the Apple Guard. So you have to keep the item and the Apple Guard away from each other about 6 to 9 inches when you spray. So that's the first spray. I did a second spray and I didn't include it. Now I'm putting the paper towels around the top handle with the help of tape. First spray. I do let it dry. The can says to wait 30 minutes, but I don't have time for all that. For the sides, I also use a paper towel. I pull out a hole in the middle somewhere and I just hook it right on the bag. I clean the edges. And same for the other side. We're gonna let her dry. I'm gonna spray a little bit of the other parts of the Noe BB. Now for the big old canvas. So I make sure I try to get everything covered. Obviously it's hard to do, so I just try to wipe the excess. And for the rim. All right, guys, so it's been about 5 to 10 minutes since I got done outside. It was getting cold, so I couldn't sit out there anymore, but I wanted to give you an update. There is the bottom. The front, well, I don't know which one's the front of this bag, but because it's my bucket bag. There is the other side, this side, and this side. The tops, ooh, the blinds are really getting my eyeballs. And there. So I'm gonna put all the stuff on it. There's the Vachetta that I got, the Vachetta strap that I got from a reseller on Etsy, and my actual strap. So I'm gonna put everything on and stay tuned. So the bag. I don't notice any damage. Charlie. And there she is. She is completely dry now and she feels much more moisturized and conditioned. So that's how I treat my Vachetta bags. So let's inspect the Miss Pochette Métis. There is the front, one side, the top. Look at that, Charlie. I'm making this video for Charlie and all of you guys. There you go. So, no fears. I have only used Apple Guard with my Vachetta items. I haven't used Colonel. That's my dog. I haven't used Colonel for my bags or for my Vachetta bags, but I have used it in my lighter colored Chanel bags. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you have any questions, please let me know down below. As you know, my two babies, they are looking great. That's it for the end of the video, guys. I still have a tag video going on, so please join if you haven't already. It is with regards to your 3 worst luxury purchases, and this can be anything with bags, shoes, makeup, perfume, anything, so I know what to stay away from. If you like content like this, please make sure you like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is ILoveLux, ILVELUX. Thank you guys. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a blessed day.